Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials so fixes actually work. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID across devices. Mismatched accounts break sync. Once done, open Settings Messages and confirm iMessage is enabled and your send and receive addresses are correct. Next, restart the device and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to refresh network stacks. This clears temporary network or registration glitches and sets you up for deeper troubleshooting without wasting time on needless steps. Once your devices are cleanly restarted, perform a controlled resync. Turn off iMessage everywhere, wait 30 seconds, then enable iMessage on your primary iPhone first. This forces registration with Apple's servers. Make sure to then enable on secondary devices so they request the updated handshake. On Mac, open Messages Preferences and sign out of iMessage, then sign back in to force credential refresh. If delivery problems remain, reset network settings to clear corrupt DNS or APN entries. This impacts saved Wi-Fi, so have passwords handy. You finish by handling the tougher causes and preparing for recourse. Confirm your phone number is activated for carrier SMS because iMessage uses an SMS verification step. Carriers sometimes block that. Make sure devices run the latest iOS or Mac OS and back up before any major update. If iMessage still fails to activate, deregister the number from iMessage or gather error messages and device logs and contact Apple support. One key tip: keep a screenshot of any activation error. Support often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.